Hello, this is Dr. Stanley Lang, and welcome to this broadcast. This is a continuation of a series of broadcasts that we've been doing on the subject of whole person health. And today we're focusing on family health and on mercy. And I have the pleasure of having my wonderful wife with me, Sherry, on this hangout. So we're going to just briefly bring up a couple of points to help us think more about mercy and how it helps us be healthy. So I asked Sherry to give some thought to how does mercy help families be healthy. So Sherry, do you have some thoughts?
I do. First of all, I think that if we get to be in touch with God's mercy, that it helps us to forgive ourselves, to know His forgiveness and love for us. It helps us to live a more peaceful and joyful life as a result. It helps us to leave our things we've done wrong behind us and be able to move forward. Secondly, I think that when we learn to receive mercy from others around us, it makes God's mercy actually become more real to us. It helps us to experience the love of others around us, which gives us peace and helps us to live in harmony. And also when we extend that mercy to the people around us, it does the same for them, and it helps us to grow inwardly at the same time. I think that all of these forms of giving and receiving mercy will help us to be more peaceful, joyful, and loving people, and more healthy.
Yeah. So when do you think you've experienced mercy the most in your family experiences? Obviously you've had thousands of opportunities to have experienced mercy. Does something come to mind you could share a brief story where you experienced God's mercy through a family encounter?
Boy, it's hard to just think of one thing right now. I think, I guess just in general, I think most in family in terms of when I have realized I have hurt someone else and gone and apologized to that person, and then that person being willing to forgive me, that just the peace that it brings between us. I think of that. I mean, that's happened many times in general. I can't think of one time that really stands out.
Okay, thank you. I think that's a real key model for all of us to be able to access the gift of mercy in our lives, which, as you've mentioned, comes from God, and the willingness to seek forgiveness is really crucial, and so many of us don't, and so perhaps our take-home message for anybody who's watching this video today or a replay of it is that you take opportunity to seek the experience of mercy by asking forgiveness. So thanks a lot for looking in on this video today. We hope that God blesses you richly, and please pass the message of mercy and forgiveness on to others. Have a good day.